Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Audesign.store's Growler. Growler is a powerful patch that lets you create always professional sounding growls, most commonly used in dubstep and drum and bass, but you can use it and shape it however you like to make it match your music, so by all means experiment with it so you discover what you can make with it. For this video I'm gonna cover the basics and give you a few practical examples so you can just intuitively know how to work with it. First we need to load it, so I'll just drag and drop it here on the channel rack. Let's just make it play real quick. And well, as you can see, it already sounds awesome, so thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. So of course, Growler always sounds ready in your mix. There is no way you can mess it up, and that's why it's such a powerful tool. It can make your life so much easier without having to check for the quality of the sound, because it's already there. Starting with the obvious, you have your main growl section. This big knob right here opens and closes the filter, and the pitch slider gives you an octave up and an octave down to slide it however you want. These two are the protagonists of the sound. So let's quickly create automations for them and hear them in action. Growl has two types of growls to choose from, the classic one, which is the one that we just used, and one which likes to scream. Damn bro, why are you so angry? So yeah, classic mode sounds more organic, while screamer sounds more metallic. The shy little knob on this corner called type controls the formant of the main modulation knob, so if you close it up your sound is not gonna move very much, it's gonna be more subtle and bassy. And if we open it up all the way, your modulation has a lot of character. Just look at how this baby talks. Now moving on to the sound section, we have a little more going on here, and this just controls the quality of the sound, the nuances, the little details of how you want it to sound. These two top ones control the resonance of the sound, so with band you set the frequencies, and with amount you make them pop. FM is the frequency modulation of the second oscillator, so you can control how much they mix. And with this, you can shift the phase of the oscillators, so you get different results. Definitely a more subtle effect, but a nice one. With texture, you change the frequency of the phaser effect, giving you a range of, yes, for lack of a better word, textures. In my opinion, it especially gives the high mids a nice boost. And last but not least, you can just water your growl.
Thiago, você ainda tá regando essa planta?
Tô acabando, já vou.
This knob opens your growl in stereo, so at 0% it's mostly mono, and you can hear it open up as I slowly turn it. So okay, you know now what the knobs do, so let's just get sounds with it real quick. In conclusion, with Growler you can make things like this, or like this, or if you're a nerd like me, you can even make it say. Let's say that even with all of that, Growler still isn't enough for you. This is regarding some comments that we've received, and that's fine, it's a valid concern. So let me remind you that you can actually open the two serum instances Growler is operating from. It's as simple as switching to the Map tab here and reveal the inner workings of it. You can switch these off if you want to make it less confusing, and right here is where our classic sound comes from. So let's open it and try some waves out. Check out this one, for example. I really like these ones. So yeah guys, I hope you liked this review, and we hope Growler makes your life a bit easier. It's available on audesign.store for a very tempting price. And make sure to give this video a like if it helped you, and share it with someone if you think Growler can make their life easier too. That's it for now guys, see ya!